Hello, this is my cooking video part 2. I can cook, so can you, the kind of thing. First of all, I have to say I'm sorry. I have to apologize to you. The last cooking video, I said I was gonna make couscous salad, but actually I didn't shoot any parts of salad making. Instead, just finished fixing couscous and forgot about introducing you fixing the salad. So today, actually the vegetable part. The vegetables I would recommend that you use savory vegetables or the flavorful vegetables or herbs, that would be better than just lettuces, cabbage, because that would taste kind of like bad. So here, I'm not so sure if the camera is stable or not, I'm afraid. Okay, here's my chopping board. Do you see that? And some of the vegetables, right? Okay, so this is the couscous. Oh, it doesn't sound very nice here. Okay, let's get started. I would use, well, anything you want. Well, my favorite is myoga, or shoga. Well, myoga, sugar. Sounds like a sugar. This is the kaiwari, like a radish sprouts, daikon sprouts. Okay, those kind of herbs you can do boom, 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 easy. Or, chancai, the Chinese people call it. In Japanese, that's kosai. And Thai language, that's bakji. But actually, in California, my people are calling it cilantro. So whatever you call it, it's the same thing, so don't argue with me. Yes, you can do only the leaves, but actually, I like it crunchy. So I'm gonna use the stems as well. Boom. And then just chop it up. Finish. Okay, that's the long onion or spring onion or green onion, whatever you call it. I don't care. See, my cooking method is no rule. Okay, so chop it up. Finished. Okay, green pepper. Take these out. Okay. Like that. If you have a good food processor, okay, use that. It's easier. And of course, saving time so that you can eat sooner. That's the best part, right? Okay, finished. Now this is oba, Japanese basil. I'm gonna save. No, it's okay. I'm gonna use everything. You can chop it off, or you can do is just tear up like a boom, 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 boom. That's easier. Finish. And I'm gonna make some mint like that. And the mint you can chop it up, but I just use my fingers to tear them up. Hey. Okay. That was the spearmint. Now, I like spearmint very much, but these are peppermints. Yeah. There are two different kinds of mint. Are they small enough? Oh, a lot of vegetables, healthy. All right. I'm gonna cheat because I like olives. I'm gonna use this kind of olives. Alrighty. Everything. Boom, 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 boom. And I like some beans because this is actually a vegetarian dish. If you were a vegetarian, of course, I used the consomme, but actually you can use instead of consomme, vegetarian consomme or bouillon. For example, Ajinomoto or Maggi companies produce those vegetarian bouillon. They had a soup stock made out of sauteed onions or some other things. I put a lot of, probably 12 different kinds of, and you just mix that. But actually this is, not settled. Okay, I put some green pepper, yellow pepper, red peppers, olives, chopped olives, some beans like garbanzo, red beans, kidney beans, and some onions, and crescent, bakji, spring onions, a little bit of chopped tomatoes, and what else? Yes, two different kinds of mint. What else? I forgot. Anything you like. Myorga, shorga. I'm sorry, myoga, shoga, not myorga, shorga. Then I'm going to use, you can put some cottage cheese if you like. And like I said, if you were a vegetarian, use those non-animal product bouillon cubes, or I can actually use this kind of thing. That's the dry seafood. The Japanese people had the long tradition of non-meat eating dietary until the end of the Edo period. So those are dry seaweed or sea vegetables or kelp, whatever. And you can soak it in the water and boil it. That will make a good broth. Or some people use the dried black mushrooms called like a shiitake, and shiitake mushroom, especially dried one, not the fresh ones. Dried shiitake mushrooms, you soak it in water or lukewarm water, or even maybe you want to boil it, and that will give you a very good stock. Or you can also use this kind of seaweed, salt, sort of a coating, chopped seaweed that you can eat by itself, or you can put this kind of thing, or you can make soup out of it. All right, okay. Let me put it back into my refrigerator. But this time I'm going to use I don't need two of them. Plain yogurt. Boom, boom. How much? as much or as little as you want. Then I'm going to use some turmeric powder for coloring the yellow color, right? What else? Okay, some parsley. These are not fresh. Right. And paprika, those are also for coloring. So red and the bright yellowish orange. What other nice color? And I said last time, cumin. A lot of cumin. Boom, boom, boom. How much? Oh, as much as you want or as little as you want. I don't mind. Okay, some of the herbs, dry herbs. Boom, boom. Then mix it. Now with yogurt, it's more moist and easier to eat. Like that. Okay. Then, actually, I want to use some lemon or lime juice to make it rather refreshing with sourness. All right. So with yogurt, cumin, and the lemon, oops. And lime juice, whole thing would taste like rather Middle Easternish. And if you put a lot of onion, that's gonna be kind of like a oniony. And if you put a lot of garlic, that's gonna be garlicky. If you put a lot of cumin, it's gonna be cumin. Okay, that's about done. But